How do you shop now?
For me, I feel like definitely it's a debatable topic. The house I've been living in, my grandfather bought this house like 50 years ago, maybe more than that. And the entire area that I live in is a very residential area. And the Kirana stores here or the shops here belong to people who have also lived here for like more than 50 years. And my grandfather used to shop from the same store for us, at least pre-COVID. We used to still get our groceries from the same shop. Post COVID, I definitely saw a lot of Kirana stores go down or like not making as many sales as they were. And I personally felt really bad, but like that's one side of it. I do agree with the fact that gig economy and like quick commerce has created so many jobs. It's created a huge amount of employment, which is good. Quick commerce is a lot about convenience, and it's great to have that convenience, but we're becoming socially isolated a lot. So when I was living in Bombay, initially I was using Blinkit and Swiggy. Like I used to order my groceries because I did not know my way around. 1 month into like settling into my house and everything, I started meal planning, and I also dedicated my Sundays to going out and shopping from like a local store. I used to buy my eggs and my vegetables and my fruits every Sunday. It was a process I enjoyed quite a lot because I started seeing similar faces. I would see weirdly, mostly saw people above the age of 60 at those stores. 90% of the people were old people who have not maybe switched to quick commerce. And even now, like now that I'm back home, I really love waking up early and going to the market. I get some steps in. I go, I buy my eggs, I buy my bread and my milk, and I come back home, and it's a process for me. So I still use Blinkit and Swiggy when I need something urgently or when I need something which is not available at the market. But I do enjoy the process of like going to the market physically and buying my stuff. I feel like that keeps me from buying junk food, which is so easily available. So for me, it's a 80-20 split, wherein 80% it's physical stores, 20% it's online. And it's also cheaper is what I've realized. So yeah, it also like saves me a lot of money.